Hey guys, how's it going and welcome back. Well, just a little unpackaging or unboxing thing for you. I went to Canadian Tire yesterday because they got a bunch of wicked sales on. I love Canadian Tire. Only in Canada. Anyhow, so these saw horses are normally about 65 or 69 bucks around that area. Anyways, so they're on sale for 15 bucks a pop. And I figured, well, I like these because my boss has a set that I borrowed off of him not too long ago, and I really like them. They're really heavy duty, and I didn't feel like building a set. And you can get brackets and a couple of 2x4s and make them that way, but I wanted something more rigid, and since his seemed to do a really awesome job, I thought, well, I want a set, but I'm not paying retail, and I'll wait till they go on sale for a price range that I'm willing to pay. And lo and behold, they came on sale, and $14.99 a piece. That's kind of an unbeatable deal if you ask me. I mean, considering they're all steel construction, they fold away nice and neat for storage. They don't take up a lot of storage space. And they got a hole drilled through them too, that you can hang them up, because we actually hang ours up in the shop and on the wall, and keeps them out of our way. But they sure are handy, and they do have this rubberized, I guess you call it an anti-slip kind of deal, and works really good. But with my wood shop growing in tools and projects that I want to do, I definitely need a set of sawhorses. So let me get one of these things set up for you. And I'm shooting this video with my iPhone, so it's a little difficult for angles. So let's switch this around here and see if we can't get something good going here in the picture for you. So pretty simple deal here. Lift up, lift up. And they got some good length to them too. So, oops, kicked it. Gotta love it. So we're looking at 39 3/8 in width across, and about 3 3/8 wide for the width. Plus you got this cool carry handle too, which is nice. So yeah, I mean they're good, they're sturdy. They're, like I said, they're all steel construction, which works good. The anti-slip is nice on there. It helps keep your workpiece in place really good. So I'm happy with those. And I mean, you can't even make these for 15 bucks. Like, realistically, you really can't. So to be able to buy them, 15 bucks on sale, definitely a thumbs up there for Canadian Tire. And you know, the blue actually matches my drill press, my bandsaw, and my sander that I got in the last little bit. So, and I love this shade of blue. I love blue, period. It's a really cool color. I have a few favorite colors, but one of which is actually blue. So it's kind of nice. Yeah, so I'm sure I'll have these for years and years and years of usage. And they're going to come in quite handy. I've got a couple workmate tables too, so not much left to go for tools, except for I need a better wood vise, actually a couple of them, and of course a better grinder would definitely help a lot. Otherwise I'm pretty much set to go for the wood shop, as far as I know, other than maybe an oscillating sander of some sort and a router table. So yeah, I got a couple tools to go yet. And I have space for them. That's the bonus, right? I do have space for setting them up and using everything in here, and it's great. So anyways, guys, if you're looking for something good and sturdy, you live in Canada, and you like to shop at Canadian Tire like I do, I weigh 176 pounds, and these have no problems even holding my weight, so, you know, bonus there. You know, not that you're going to have that kind of a load on them, but, you know, you never know. You can get some pretty heavy stuff on them. They're rated for 300-pound capacity each. So between the two of them, they can hold up 600 pounds. So that's pretty decent. But anyways, there you go. That's my little unpackaging for you. Like I said, I'm only setting up one in the video for you guys, but you know, you get the idea. They're pretty handy machines to have. So if you're doing any kind of projects, you know, even holding a 4x8 sheet, you know, you need two of them for that. But even the 4-foot width of a sheet, I mean, it's going to have a little overhang, but that's fine because you've got all that width anyways. So, you know, it's going to hold your sheet up there really good and stable. So, and I was looking at plastic ones. I had a plastic set before. They're pretty good. You know, I do like them. They do work really well, and they're very lightweight. And, of course, you can leave them outside all year round, and who cares? They're plastic, right? Problem is plastic doesn't hold the same amount of weight ratios. Plastic can break, you know, where these, the way they're built, they're sturdy. You'd be hard-pressed to do any damage to them. So, you know, they're going to definitely do the job and do it really well. And how do you say no to $14.99 a piece for these things? So get down to your local Canadian Tire, guys, and grab yourself a couple of these, or, you know, if you need several even, you know, and empty out their shelves. Yeah, it's great. So anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Ciao.